Hi, welcome. In this video, we are going to talk about a very important scenario in MS Excel. So, if my request is, if you are first time visiting my channel, right, please subscribe to it and also click the bell icon. Whenever I upload a new video, you will get the notification. So, let's get started. So, this is the scenario. See, I have two columns in MS Excel. So, one is name inconsistent, and I have a full name. So guys, this is very important in MS Excel. If you understand this concept, right, you can save a lot of time in your real time. So whether you are a student or you are an employee, so this scenario and this example will definitely help you. So look at the data column E. So how I have the data here. So I have a Raj iPhone 123 Kumar, and look at the second row, John, and there is a semicolon and number and name, right? So this data is inconsistent. What I mean is, like, there is a special characters and also numbers, names included, right? I don't want the data like this in column F. I want only the first name and the last name. So how I can do that? For example, here I have only uh, 6 rows, right? What if you have 10,000 rows? That is a problem, right? So let's going to solve this complex scenario right away, right? For example, so look at here. So I'm going to type Raj and then space Kumar and then enter, and going to press Control plus E, right? So I'll place my cursor in the second row of the data where I have, and I'm going to press the Control E. See, look at the data. So it is not working for all other rows, right? So it means the flash fill what I have entered. So Control E means flash fill. So whatever flash fill Excel understand, right? It is not able to produce the exact data, but we want to make it understand. So for that, I'm going to remove the entire data up to here. You see, so using our first example, right, it has identified certain pattern. That is not what we wanted, right? And we are going to give one more example to MS Excel, saying that JOH and John hyphen space. Even though there are special characters or symbols like a colon, right? I need only the text part, first name and last name. Now with this data, it will definitely understand, right? Go to the third row and press Control E. See, look at the data. This is what we wanted, right? So usually what happens in the scenario of flash fill, we enter one row of data and we expect the remaining row values to be filled, right? So in our scenario, that is not the case actually. Sometimes Excel will not be able to understand what we wanted, right? So we have to make it understand. So that is why we have provided one more scenario how we wanted, and then we come to third row and press Control E, then it has populated the right data. So I hope this video is useful to you, and if you feel like there is a content in this video, right, click on subscribe button, so that, and also click on the bell icon, so whenever I publish a new video, you will get the notification. Thank you. See